A lot of people dream about retiring to Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. They see the golf courses, the lakes, the beautiful forests, and the affordable homes. But here's the question: will you actually really enjoy living here once the honeymoon phase is over? Today, I'm going to cover some realities that many people don't discover until after they've already moved. They aren't deal breakers, but they are things you need to understand before buying a home here. If you know these realities ahead of time, you'll be prepared, you'll avoid surprises, and Hot Springs Village could be one of the best decisions that you've ever made. So let's get started. If we haven't met, my name is Fred Monks, and I'm with McGraw Realtors here in Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. And I make videos on our real estate market and things to do in and around Hot Springs Village. Number one is going to be climate. One of the biggest adjustments for people moving here is getting used to our climate. We have 4 distinct seasons, which is something many retirees do enjoy. Spring is beautiful with the flowering dogwoods, the red buds, and the green forests, but it's also our storm season. You'll want to stay weather alert because Arkansas does experience severe thunderstorms, and occasionally we have tornadoes. Summers are hot and humid. Expect daytime temperatures to be in the 90s along with the high humidity. If you're coming from Arizona, Colorado, or Southern California, the humidity will probably be one of your biggest challenges. And yes, we do have bugs. Mosquitoes, ticks, chiggers, wasps, and spiders are simply part of living in the natural state. Most homeowners use a regular pest control service, and it's money well spent. Falls may be my favorite season. Comfortable temperatures, incredible fall colors. It makes it fantastic to be outside and enjoy the lakes, the golf courses, the walking trails, and also to get out there and enjoy the over 50 state parks that are available here in Arkansas. Winters are generally mild compared to much of the country. We do occasionally see snow and ice, but long periods of extreme cold are uncommon. Reality number 2 is homeownership. Affordability in Hot Springs Village is among the best in the nation, and our property taxes rank among the lowest in the nation. You will also find that we have pre-existing homes that were built starting in the 1970s when Hot Springs Village was first developed. We do have new construction, but you will not find a large inventory in this category like you might find in a major metropolitan area like Dallas, Fort Worth, or Houston, or even Denver, Colorado. If you're not a fan of a homeowners association, well, we do have what's called a POA, a Property Owners Association. The POA has a first-time buy-in fee for a buyer of a home that is going to be $2,000. If you're purchasing a lot, it's going to be $300. And then the POA has a monthly assessment of $115 for a home and $50 for a vacant lot. Arkansas also has what's called a transfer tax. This is a one-time charge when real estate property changes ownership. This tax is used by the state to be able to take care of the over 50 state parks that are available in Arkansas. This charge is $3.30 for every $1,000 of sales price. In Hot Springs Village, these fees are typically split between the buyer and the seller. This transfer tax will also be seen on your closing documents, just as you would see a first-time buy-in fee when you're purchasing real estate. Reality number 3 is homeowners insurance. MoneyGeek.com ranked Arkansas the 7th most expensive state for homeowners insurance premiums. But compared to most areas of the country, places like California, Florida, and Louisiana, where they are among the highest in the nation, and in some cases they are 2 to 5 times more than Arkansas homeowners premiums. In many of these states, some of the carriers have pulled out altogether. Hot Springs Village specifically can have lower premiums than many other parts of Arkansas because they are in a low crime rate area, and we have a strong fire department. However, insurance carriers still factor in statewide exposure to wind, hail, and tornado claims. They also look at the replacement cost of roofs, and they also look at the claim history on that property, which can sometimes push rates above the national average. The positive on this is that Arkansas real estate contracts allow for an automatic 10 days for you to study that property and get your inspections. This gives you time to get quotes for your homeowner's insurance. Reality number 4 is going to be the cost to maintain a property here in the village. Many properties sit in the middle of the forest with plenty of shade trees, and most of the yards are landscaped with rock. This is due to the lack of sunlight that's required for grass to grow. Many yards will not need mowing, but with the forest you will have the maintenance of leaves, pine cones, and pine needle removal from your yard, the gutters, and the roof. Along with keeping the outside AC unit free of debris, managing the bugs is another thing. We have lots of bugs here in Arkansas. Many homeowners choose to have a pest control maintenance program in place, and this is money well worth spending. You may also be coming from a part of the country that does not have a crawl space. Many of the homes here have crawl spaces, and this is another area that you'll want to add to the layer of inspections that you have done on the property when you put it under contract. You want to know that that crawl space is well encapsulated. It needs a dehumidifier. You want to know that. You want to check the drainage around the property. You want to make sure that the drainage is not going underneath and into the crawl space. And if it is, how is it managed out of that crawl space, or even managed away from the foundation around the property? So look at this as another layer of your inspections that you have done during the 10-day period that you have to inspect the property. So reality number 5 is going to be healthcare. People that move here are proactive about their healthcare. Pharmacies are located on the east and the west side, just outside the gates. We have CHI St. Vincent's Primary Care inside the village, located on the east side. And then we have CHI St. Vincent's Hospital and National Park Medical, both in our neighboring Hot Springs, which are about 35 to 40 minutes away. And then we have Saline Memorial Hospital in Benton, which is about 40 minutes away. Number 6 is going to be mobility and airports. Living in Hot Springs Village means you'll probably spend more time driving than you did in a larger metropolitan area. While most daily necessities are nearby, larger shopping centers, major medical specialists, and entertainment are often required with a drive to Hot Springs, Benton, or Little Rock. And if you enjoy traveling, you'll want to know where the airports are located. The closest large commercial airport is going to be Bill and Hillary Clinton National Airport in Little Rock, which is about an hour from Hot Springs Village. From there, you'll be able to find service to many of the major hubs, including Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, Atlanta, Charlotte, Chicago, Denver, Orlando, Las Vegas, and several other destinations, making connections throughout the country very convenient. Hot Springs also has Memorial Field Airport, where Southern Airways Express provides scheduled service to Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, allowing travelers to connect to American Airlines' worldwide network without making a drive to Little Rock. Most residents find that between Little Rock and Hot Springs, air travel is manageable. You simply need to plan ahead a little more than you would in a larger city. Reality number 7 is the social life and making friends. One of the things that surprises many newcomers is that making friends doesn't really happen automatically. Hot Springs Village has thousands of residents, but like anywhere else, relationships do take effort. The good news is this community makes it easier. With more than 200 clubs and organizations covering everything from golf, tennis, pickleball, hiking, fishing, boating, photography, woodworking, quilting, Bible studies, and volunteer opportunities. One of the things that I recommend my clients, my buyers, to load is the Our Smart Village app. It's an app that you can get on the Play Store, and it has all the clubs and organizations that you can plug into. It also has the trail maps, the golf courses, all the restaurants that are available. So this is a great tool to use when you're coming here. The people who really love living here in Hot Springs Village usually are the ones that get involved instead of staying at home. And if you're willing to participate, you'll likely build friendships much faster than you. Reality number 8 is the financial piece. One of the biggest reasons people relocate here is the financial freedom. Homes in Hot Springs Village are often much more affordable than comparable homes in the states like California, Colorado, Arizona, Washington, Oregon, and many parts of Texas. Arkansas also ranks among the states with relatively low property taxes, allowing many retirees to stretch their retirement dollar. However, affordability doesn't mean you should skip financial planning. Before making a move, I strongly encourage you to sit down with your financial planner or retirement advisor. Discuss long-term income needs, healthcare costs, investment strategies, and whether purchasing here fits your overall lifestyle and your retirement plan. It's also important to understand that real estate here in Hot Springs Village has historically appreciated slower than most rapidly growing metropolitan areas. While no one can predict the future values, if your primary goal is to maximize appreciation, this market may not be for you. It's very different than places like Dallas, Fort Worth, Nashville, Tampa, or even Denver. Most people who buy here aren't chasing rapid appreciation. They're buying for a lifestyle, affordability, and the amenities and a quality of life. Okay, in closing, I've got to say, after helping many buyers relocate from all over the country, I've noticed something. The people who absolutely love living here in Hot Springs Village usually have 3 things in common. They plan before they move, they stay active after they move, and they embrace the lifestyle instead of trying to relocate the one they've left. This isn't just a place to sit on the porch. It is a place to play golf, get out on the lakes, hike the trails, volunteer, join clubs, meet neighbors, and truly enjoy the next chapter of your life. If retirement or a second home or relocating to Arkansas is in your future, I'd be honored to help you with that process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to help the channel. And if you want, ask questions in the comments below, and then reach out to me with either a text or a phone call, or you can set up a one-on-one with me in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching to the end, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.